To reply to an email on Gmail in both Android and iOS, and that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So what you need to do is you have to firstly open your Gmail app, and then what you need to do is you have to firstly open any of the email that you want to reply to the specific to the person who sent you. So firstly you can open any of the email. So like I want to open this email. So firstly you have to open the email, and if you want to reply this, then the process is similar for the both Android and iOS. So what you need to do is you have to click on the you have to scroll down to the most bottom, and you can see the option of reply and forward, but you have to reply. So you can see this both option in the both Android and iOS. So you can click on the reply button in the bottom left corner, and it will bring you to this page, and here you can write anything that you want. You can write your subject in your case, and then after writing it you can give your write anything that you want. And after this you can click on the send button in the top right corner. You can see this send button with the blue color. When you click on this, then it is saying that it is sending, and now it is sent. So reply is sent. So you can do this with the other email that you want. You have to firstly open any of the email, and then scroll down, and then click on the reply button in the bottom left corner and add anything that you want, and then click on the send button. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate